Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with the Dollar Tree haul. There are a lot of food products. I thought they're in my craft room. All the bags got hauled in here, so I thought I'd just share. So, picked up some egg noodles. I love butter noodles, and I love my butter noodles with these. So, got a package of them. And then I picked these little cereal boxes up for the grandkids. I have them this weekend. I only had one in the store. And I went to 2 Dollar Trees, so I only got lucky with one box. And I love oatmeal. And this is instant oatmeal, hot chocolate. And then I should have one right here, which is apple cinnamon. I love oatmeal, guys. I eat oatmeal like crazy. And then the grandkids like these, especially Coda. And my grandkids do not eat. I don't have to cook these, guys. This is weird about my grandkids. They put this in a Ziploc bag and they crunch it up and they throw the seasoning in and they shake it up and they eat it raw. They don't cook it. They don't like it like that. They eat it like potato chips. So I pick them up. And then my husband works coming up 12-hour shifts, so I picked. He likes these. And plus the grandkids, I always buy pretty much 2 of everything, mainly. He likes these. These are quick at work. He only gets 15 minutes. He doesn't get like a regular half an hour break, so he'll munch on these. I think he tells me he gets 2 15 and a 20. Yay, you know, like that's enough time to eat. And then I got the apple cinnamon nutrition. He likes them too. And then this one I got 4 of these because I didn't realize I bought these two at two different Dollar Trees. The fruit and grain and strawberry. So I got 4 of those for him. So we got that. And I bought some Karela fruit snacks for the grands. So we got that. I thought I was done with food, but I'm not. I came across these, and they're the Cheetos mac and cheese, bold and cheesy. They had jalapeno, but I'm not like and I thought, ooh, this looks really interesting. And I love Cheetos, and I thought I'd pick these up for this weekend. I have the kids Friday night into Saturday, so maybe we'll try that. So that's the food items. Yeah. All right. Picked up some Q-tips. Actually, I got 4 of these. I put 3 away already. Because the funny part is, I sit all the way from the house to the gas station. Scott put gas in the truck and realized his debit card was at home. So they were kind enough to keep his driver's license, called me, told me to get his card ready, get my butt ready if I wanted to go somewhere. Did that real quick. Ran back. Debit card, paid for our gas. So then I went to Dollar Tree. So now to the other items. Came across this Family Feud Survival Showdown game card. I thought it'd be fun to play maybe one night on my channel and maybe some prizes down the road. So picked up that. Now the funny part was this next stuff was funny. Okay, I had to reach for something. So I actually found 4 of these. 2 of each color. And then a lady, oh, there ain't none left. And I'm like, and I looked at her cart and she looked at mine. And I'm like, yeah, you got all the gnome ornaments. And I got the garland. So I had 2 green in my cart. Just a little garland with the little gnomes. And then this one is the red. She had all these in her cart. Every one. And every one of these. So we switched out. She gave me a set of these and one of these, and I gave her one of each. We kind of negotiated in the store. Ain't he cute? I know Sabrina picked me up one, but I couldn't remember what it was. I think she got me a set of these too, but I wasn't positive. But I wasn't going to turn it down. Aren't they adorable? It's got that. Then that's that. Then the Halloween. These are already out of the bag. Save time. I got the little garland with the little skeletons. One's white, one's black. They aren't staying on the string. I have other plans for them. And I also got this one. The bat, the jack-o'-lantern, and the ghost. Those aren't staying on the string either. Got plans for them as well. And let's see. I needed some of this for packaging. Black and orange. Some of that. Skulls came in. So I got two of the skulls. And two of the bones. I have Sabrina picked up the styrofoam ones for me. I will use them, but they just didn't work when I wanted, so I got two of them. I was so happy. And then I needed some mesh. Got home and realized I bought two different ones. One was spider web and one is just plain black, and I wanted just plain black, but I can get away with using both of them. And let's see. That is all my goodness. Yep. So that's all I have, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the Dollar Tree. I showed you for food items because, like I said, they got hauled in here. I gotta go put them away. If you're interested in seeing whatever groceries I buy from now on, just let me know because I can share it. Most of the time I don't, but unless it's something that sticks out like the Cheetos mac and cheese, you know, that I've never seen before, so I thought I'd share it. I'll let you know how well it tastes. I'm debating if I want to have this for dinner tonight. So, I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody, and good night. Or goodbye.